If there's anyone here from my Discord, can you like post me a link to my own stream, because I cannot for the life of me figure out where it's at. I'm going to enable chat. I gotta figure out how to do that though. So we're gonna wind back the countdown timer just a little bit. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Chat's now enabled. If you guys refresh your pages, you should be able to get chat. What's up, Aviation? Also, you guys gotta let me know if the sound's like too loud, because I have no way of telling. What's up, guys? Well, I was in school and, you know, just been kind of working on different things. Trying to get stuff ready for y'all. I've been working on games. "100% train crashing will be back." You guys can hear me, right, when I talk? Yes, there will be train crashing. Where have I been? I've just been, you know, school and stuff. doing life things. We got a little bit more time now to work on KaboominKaboose. Today's stream though, it's not gonna be, we're not doing any train crashing today, but I will show you guys like a little bit of stuff I've been working on. And I'll also show you how to do some stuff. You might learn something. I have my mic muted. I'm pro streamer. Actually, I'll work on mods after this. Modding everyone is gonna be a pain in the ass because you need I gotta work on that cussing thing. I'm not supposed to be cussing while I'm on here. I gotta mod everyone with a direct profile link. Base reveal. It's not the first time. We've live streamed before. Any questions that you guys have, I'll answer them now before we start diving into a little bit of dev work and stuff. I inspired you to make train crashes. Hope they're good ones, man. Yeah, it's been like 5 years, something like that, since my last stream. I don't know. How's music volume? Look at DMs. Could it be more than just one night? Kissing the cab ride, head turning left, right. Ty, you're not gonna be a mod, dude. I'm sorry, but you're not gonna be a mod. I'll make you a mod after the stream, Tonk. More Steam engines on Roblox? Yeah. It's a little loud. I'll turn it down just a little bit. There we go. It has been a long time. 36 people watching. What's up, guys? What will I do to make... I mean, it's just all physics-based. Also, guys, please be nice in chat to each other. I don't want to have to ban people. I hate banning people. It's not fun. See you later, Seattle. Thanks for stopping by. Let's see if I missed any other questions. More train crashes, yeah, that's gonna happen. That's like the main question. I mean, there's nothing you can do about the models. People can replicate them all they want. And like the newest game I'm making, it's gonna be pretty easy to replicate them. So, I mean, the most important stuff is just like the scripts. Which, unfortunately, is why I'm not gonna be able to do a lot of the script work on stream, because I like to keep my scripts secret. What inspired me? I just like trains. I like trains, and them exploding is pretty cool. Probably a lot of movies I watched when I was a kid. I don't know who leaked them or anything. It doesn't matter, though. I don't really care anymore. A lot of the stuff that's out there is old. I've been just working on games and stuff. College. No, I don't really model railroad. I have a layout in the other room. It's O scale, but I don't ever use it. It's literally sat there since I was a kid. IRL train spotting, probably not. Probably not. Every once in a while, though, in the Discord, I do. Very rarely. I haven't done this in years. I would post little clips if I was passing a train while I was driving around somewhere. But on YouTube, probably not. Probably not gonna happen. Sliders instead of bogies on trains? What do you mean, like, I mean, it's just the way that everything's like, are you talking about way back in the day? Like when the slider system first came out? Because I didn't create that. Favorite train type? I don't really have a favorite train type. Cars are cool too. My videos, my Spanish isn't great, but my videos are of Roblox, I'm assuming is what you're asking. Yes, they are. We'll get a new Discord. The Discord's getting purged anyway. We're literally gonna hit it with a nuke and reset it eventually in a couple days, probably this weekend maybe. I'm not like crazy obsessed with trains like I used to be, but like crashing them is still cool, especially if it, you know, gets me that YouTube money. Oh, you're from Argentina. What's up? Nope, it was not on purpose. All those references were like, just happens, you know? I don't hate anybody. I don't hate any of my my community members. Yeah, I know, a lot of stuff's broken. There's gonna be a lot of stuff being fixed soon. Is everyone being unbanned from the Discord after the purge? I don't even know who's banned, but a lot of people, some people may be unbanned, maybe. We gotta work on this whole Discord moderation system because it's just not working. What's a lie? What am I lying about? First train I made? Might be able to find it. I gotta go back to my original Roblox account. Arguments in the server? They're terrible. The Discord is a cesspool. Favorite locomotive? I don't know, we're just gonna go with an old 844 or 484 or something like that. Santa Fe. We will not be playing many Roblox games in years. Sorry, my friend from Argentina. Hello from Ohio. What's up, dude? I'm not far. Illinois. I'm gonna try to find this train that one of the first trains I made. See if it's still on the market. the original Train Master account. Yep, they're all still here. Alright, we'll switch to screen share real quick. Ohio does not... Chris! Alright, everyone has permission to just roast Chris Pie 314. 100%. What inspired me to make videos on YouTube? I just, like, kind of did it when I was a kid, and then it just so happened that they kind of were getting views, so I started to make more. These were the first trains. This was my first Roblox account. What's wrong with what? Oh, Ohio? It's just Ohio, man. What's up, Lightning Striker? I think I have... I don't know which Train Master accounts I have, but I'm pretty sure I have like 1 through 7. The original account through Train Master 7. I don't remember the passwords for all of them, but I do. Train Master 4 is just the one that had the game pop off back in the day. Dude, listen. I was like 7 years old. 2008, I would have been like barely 10 years old. And this was before like I even knew how to build or do anything. Yeah, I'm happy to be back. Let's see, there's this one. Hey, it's free too, so if you guys want it, you can have it. Here's another one. Yep, 3 years ago. Do I have any limiteds? Yeah, I got limiteds. Train, just straight up train, that's what it is. Yeah, I remember when that video came out too. It was that was a fun one to make. That was like the most fun I'd made. It's alright. Next time I do get around to like making a new train crashing video, production will be definitely higher than before. I've become a lot better at video editing since then too. Why do I keep my inventory public? On what? Train Master 4 or this account? This stuff was made like 2008. Train Master 4 is the account I use. You can see it. That's how I meant to click. Yeah, I liked boats back then too. A lot of these aren't mine. Don't burn myself out. What am I gonna... Oh. No. I mean, even if we do get burnt out, there is... It's stuff I have to get done. Okay, well... Okay, that's enough of the count. Alexander, I have no idea how to answer that. I don't know, like, there's just train tracks. Find train tracks and wait for trains. BNSF or Norfolk Southern's probably favorite railroad. Oh no, I missed Southern Pacific. So this is gonna be this is gonna be kind of like the new sandbox that I'm working on. This one should be fun. You hate Florida? How can you hate Florida? Great weather. There's a lot of stuff that, like, obviously a lot of this isn't done yet. I wanted to have this released for when I was doing my first stream, but it's not gonna happen. PC specs 2080 Ti for graphics card, or no, just 2080 for graphics card, 32 gigs of RAM, and an unknown. I don't remember what my processor is. This computer's old. Dude, you think the weather is not the best there? It's like, it's been like 100 degrees and just deathly outside. You guys at least have like the ocean and beaches. Yeah, so I actually don't even have the trains set up on this map yet. I have the tracks, I just don't have everything set up. So a little bit about this here is one of the things that's going to be going on in the game is you get to kind of work jobs and you can earn money for your character. And then when I set it up, you will also be able to buy stuff from a shop. We got a little tower here that you will be able to unload ore from, which gets sent up from the mine, which is down there. The ore will fill up here, and then you will be able to press this button if you have a trailer here, and you will be able to unload it into the trailer. It hasn't even been raining here, it's just straight up dry. I mean, I think I have a 9th gen i7. I don't mind snow. Shadows. So basically, there's going to be a bunch of ore that spawns down here. People will be able to mine it, and then they will be able to dump it in here, which will then shoot it all the way up to this. Game name is not public yet. Game's not even out, but I mean, the name's gonna be like Sandbox or something dumb. Yeah, California needs rain. I hope you guys do get some rain. It's humid up here too, man. You ain't alone. So I don't know what's anchored and what's not, but I'll run it and you should be able to see some of the animations going for this thing. Yeah, today, so basically what I'm going to teach you today in today's stream is I'll show you kind of how to make like animated models that just like this. Like this is an animation. This isn't really a script or anything. This is just straight up an animation that will move this stuff. What's up, Ricardo? Any last questions for the site before I start diving into what we're going to do today? Scripting is fun. I actually like it a lot more in building. Make a truck. No trucks today. I actually don't have that much time to be live. I got like maybe another hour. Alright, no more questions. Oh, what's my favorite train I made? Don't have one. Probably the ones that I haven't. I don't know. I've got some more that I want to make that I haven't made yet. I've got some new engines I need to make for the new game. Will I be making an industry where you have to take a semi-trailer into warehouse? Probably. I mean, I thought about the forklift thing. Yeah, I mean... probably won't have a forklift thing. I've thought about it, we'll see. How do I despawn the trains? Usually I just throw them off the map. Either throw them off the map or, scripting. There's like I have like a garbage system. It can tell how many trains are derailed, and if it reaches a certain point, it'll just start deleting them. Trestle is the best video. Not my eyes. I liked the snow one. With the big canyon. It's actually... That was the last video I made when I was on stream, because I made that map on stream. Yeah, throwing them off the map is definitely the best way. Is this the 2008 train ride thing that I'm working on? Kinda. I mean, this is tester for it. There's so much more that's going to be going on than that. I mean... Let's, I don't know what this is opening. Hold on. I'll give you a little... Just a quick glimpse of the map of the new game. Very quick glimpse. 1 second. One second. Sorry about that. So here is the new game. This is going to be the layout for the new game. This is the map size, at least. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be big. You will definitely be able to control the trains. Not in a traditional manner. Not in a traditional manner, but you will be able to control them. There's a couple little features that'll be really fun for it. I just make the trains like any other developer. Parts and mesh parts. I haven't actually worked on the map part for a while because I've been working on player controls. Also, it just so happens to be all of these houses are destructible. Oh, does that Discord link not work? That post in chat? Someone let me know. Take a train to walk. Yeah, I think that can happen. Over there, over here, you're gonna have, this is gonna be where the mine is gonna be. Like, quarry. College? We're done with college for now. More school maybe in like a year. I graduated. Nothing I can do about people downloading the meshes. And, like, I don't really know what they'd be taking anyways, because most of the meshes are, like, parts. They're not even, like, trains. So, no bother to me. What's up, Atoll? Atoll tries to animate. What's going on? Oh, I refuse to. Oh, by the way, like, solid cold, I've refused to use unions. I hate unions. They're trash. Just mesh parts for me. Hey, man. Those are good games, Lord Roman. Battlefield 1 is probably my favorite. Favorite of the Battlefield franchise. That's actually just part of the song. Yeah, okay, so the other thing about what has delayed everything is I've been working on guns and the characters for the game, and it kind of like, I don't know, there's been some complications. The guns are not the right scale. The character's arms are too short to animate properly. I have not played Enlisted. Add cars to that game. Oh, I can show you some of the trains. I think if I just run this, it should work. There should be a couple trains driving through. There was actually a screenshot of the trains on my Twitter at one point before I deleted all my tweets. Let's see. Passenger train. Yeah, the whole... I want to capture, like, that old Roblox feeling. That's what kind of what I'm going for with this game. Looks like I forgot to anchor the water. That's cool. Let's see. Should be more trains on the map right now. I just don't know where they're at. CSG. Oh, there's our train. I am probably going to get rid of the, I'm probably going to redo the freight locomotive. I don't know, it kind of fits, but I kind of want something a little bigger. What is Nice Boy? Is that like some Thomas the Tank Engine stuff or something? Nice Boy. Oh, model leaker. But yeah, the trains, if they have their own like signal system, they kind of figure out how to get around without crashing for the most part. And there will be things in the game that you can do to make crashing very more happen more. Oh, looks like we're gonna get a train crash, I think. I'm gonna do what I can to make lag not a thing. It comes down to like limiting the amount of train cars on a train. ETA on this game. Good question. Someone did unsub. Wow. Oh well. People come, people go. Will I make the trains? Probably not these. Decoupling trains in online just isn't great. What's up, YMCA dev? 2016 through 2017, man, this should be giving vibes that are older than that, but like this is like vibes when I was first getting into Roblox, when I made those crappy models I showed you guys earlier. Railroad crossings, yeah, there's railroad crossing here. There's a couple, I think this is the only one on this side of the map. Yeah, there one's a bridge. There's a couple on that side. What's up, 8-Bit General, the UP fan? It's actually looking like we're just kind of chilling, so I'm not really going to get to actually do any tutorials today. But, Wednesday is... So my stream schedule is looking like it's going to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm supposed to be starting probably, sooner in the day. Rather than later. Something is crashing somewhere because we are getting very bad frames right now. Mobile friendly. That's the question. Man. Mobile friendly just kind of... It's not my style, man. I'd have to make so much more stuff. War Thunder, Battlefield 5. I haven't played it. I don't really have time to play games that much anymore since I've been working on stuff like that. So if I do play, it's like League of Legends or Rust. Yeah, this game's not out yet. This is not even a game yet. Like, the map is pretty much empty. It's like trains and roads right now. I don't even have bridges yet in place. Yeah, YMCA, there will be more videos. No, I think we might be lagging just because of the sheer amount of trains going on. Uh-oh. Yeah, I will be making more train crashing videos. This game is like the main project I've been working on, so like it'll when it comes out, it'll be for everyone. Man, what is with this mobile? Do you guys not have laptops or anything? What is this game? What's it about? It's gonna be like I don't know, it's gonna be like open worldy. There's gonna be a bunch of like mini game things you can do, a bunch of jobs you can do, like truck driving, mining. There's gonna be a science laboratory that I don't think is gonna be really a job, but there's gonna be like stuff you can steal from it. Or like set creatures free from inside. But yeah, mobile gaming, like, I'm sorry, but I despise it. It's just a whole nother level of things that I have to, like, do, especially in, like, the scripting. Almost all my games are mobile-friendly. That was not intended. That's just accidental mobile-friendliness. I'm not a mobile-friendly person. Like, if you look at my phone, I actually have, like, maybe one game. And it's a crossword. I'm just, like, here to tell you, if you were trying to play, like, the amount of stuff I have on this game in multiplayer, or, on mobile, it just would not work. There's just gonna be too many controls and stuff. Yeah, I don't think, laboratory job's gonna be a thing. Kaboom and server drama? Oh, it's never ending. It's not even ended yet. It's indefinite. So yeah, that's what's kind of going on with that. I could throw together a quick tutorial, I guess. Probably. We're gonna have to, like, kind of kick it up, though. Oh, this has been running this whole time. Ah. I forgot. Oh, yeah, it basically looks like a giant snow globe. Release date unknown. Release date when it's done. Okay, so let's kind of go through real quick. Quick model or rigging. So the plugin I use to build my rigs is what is the name of this plugin? Oh boy, it's like rig edit light or something like that, but it's this yellow icon up here. Yeah, right. I don't know, man. Roblox games have changed a lot over the years. Like the style, everyone's like trying to go for realism. I'm kind of getting tired of like the whole realism thing. But yeah, this rig edit plugin is what I would be using to build the rig. So before I get into that, I'm just gonna. So what I want to do is I want to put animatable garage doors on this model, because basically this thing right here is going to be where you get to spawn in your different truck cabs and stuff. What I want it to do is I want it to kind of roll them out, or the door opens, truck rolls out, door closes, new truck spawns inside. Release date 2040. I hope not. Guys, if it takes till 2040, we got problems. What's private? What did I say is private? Train build plugins? Oh, no. Train build plugin. I don't even use any of those anymore. I mean, they're garbage. I gotta rewrite them. How can you do trains moving? Well, there's all these wonderful things called body movers that I don't have the time to teach you about today, but maybe someday. Actually, I don't want to do that yet. So this is the basic garage. Group this real quick. Alright, so to build a rig, first off, every single thing that's animatable in, as far as I know, needs a humanoid root part. Which is like, basically, like if the player was going to control it. Because every player model in general has, a humanoid root part. It's like around the torso area, but it is invisible, so you don't know unless you do dev work, really. So I'm gonna just create this, and I'm gonna put it somewhere. Make sure it's can collide, can't touch, anchor it. Should give it a color for reason, hide it in the wall. Transparency 1. So you need that. I want to make some doors here, or one door model here, I guess. Okay. Change of plans. It's not one per thing. I'm gonna do one per garage door. I can move this later, maybe. So, or pick one. Just put it on the wall to the left side. Like this. Rig. See you solid. Stream Wednesday. Be here. Just gonna say that's door part 1, part 2, door part 3, door part 5. See what color do we want for this thing. Let's give it some personality. Can I test it? What do you want me to test? I'm just getting started, man. So basically, each one of these is going to be moved. Is this building destructible? No. It's a very... It's going to be like a static building because it's like essential to core gameplay. Anything that's like super essential to gameplay isn't going to be destructible. I'm not like a pro at this stuff or anything, but yeah, it looks like 6 garage. 6s and Gs kind of look similar, okay. I mean, so this is basically all I need for like an animatable garage door. I just need this. I'll go ahead and put all of these in a model with the rig. And everything that you need to be animated, it needs a humanoid. So I put a humanoid in the model. Also, we have to make sure, I'll need a humanoid, and I'll need an animator inside of the humanoid. Later, dude. Later, guys. Alright, so our basic rig, this is just the model. It's got all of our parts in it that we want to animate. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my rig building plugin, which is called Rig Edit. And basically what I can do is I can select the different parts that I want to be animated, like in succession. It's kind of hard to like put stuff on rails in an animator, or at least I don't know how, but we'll just try it. We'll go rig it from the bottom. So I want the top part 5 to be attached to 4, and I will create joints. From part 4 to part 3, I'll create joints. From part 3 to part 2, create joints. Part 2 to part 1, create joints. And then after so it creates these joints. They're all at the very center of the part. That's not really where I kind of want to like move stuff based off of. So in this plugin, you got the step, which is basically how many studs you want to move by. I'm going to move these joints so they're at the very like corners of it, basically like where there would be a hinge at in real life if you wanted it. That's the edge. Part 3. Welcome back. And then we want our top piece to be connected directly to a rig. So basically, I mean, that just created a basic, like, just straight up garage door rig. Everything is connected, and now what should happen is if I go into the basic animation editor, I can create animations on it now. I'm really bad at teaching, so I'm sorry if it's hard to follow along. I'll probably edit this afterwards and then upload it if anyone wants to see it. Animation, door, open. And now I think if we move this, it should move the whole door. Because that's the top, that's our top bone, or our top piece. Let's just say add keyframe here. Keyframes are like basically the data that stores like how you have pieces move. So if I go from one keyframe, which is here, and I move it forward in the timeline, which of the animation, say like a second later, I want the garage door to be here. After a second, it would have moved there, but that's kind of not the animation that we're going for. So let's go ahead and make this like let's say 4 seconds to open the garage. How many slats do we have? 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll do 4 seconds. One second in. Or actually, okay, so I'm gonna do the ending frame first. So let's say this is where we want it to end. But that's gonna look, I mean, to be honest, for like if it was a straight one-piece garage door, that would be kind of good. but that's not really what I'm going for. This is new territory, so I don't exactly know 100% what I'm doing. I'll do 5 seconds. Everything's easy. Can stretch it out later. So 1 second in, we want it to be 90 degrees at that one, but then this one, we want to still be like this. But we also want this to, instead of moving like that, we want it to stay up here. So that's one slat. See aviation. One slat like that. 2. To be like that. I want this one to be straight still. We also want this to move farther back. So where do we start? Oh, that's a mistake on my part. So in order to not have stuff move, there needs to be keyframes on each of these. Yeah, Moon Animator, I don't know about that one, dude. I've used the default animator that Roblox has, and it works just fine. I mean, there's probably more it's probably like some organizational stuff that's better. But in terms of like differences, I can't really tell you that much of a difference. Is it better? Wait, Moon Animator? I don't know if it's... Is that what you're talking about? Fifth and final, just want this to be straight. Or actually, no, we'll leave it down a little bit. There we go. Well, that's a basic garage door animation. Obviously, there's stuff I can do to fine-tune it and tweak it. So, like, to get rid of that, do that at the halfway points. To try and prevent this is like a super, like, not how you're probably supposed to fix animations, but it's kind of just how I'm going to do it, just because this is a tester game, so nothing needs to be really perfect. What's up, Johnny? I really like how that, like, it looks like it stops. To be more constant. Feel bad for the people without 2 monitors? Yeah, that's definitely big feels bad. Let's go ahead and play this at like 2 times speed. Up this to a 60 frame animation too, so I can even more so control movement. 5. Trying to get rid of that like jitteriness. That's kind of how it looks now. It's looking a little better. EA Sports. So yeah, now basically, so here's why animations are probably better than doing like just like actually making a physical moving, like physics interacted object, is probably because 1, performance, and 2, like since it's all like basically C-frame, your performance on the game itself will be like -1. It's not gonna do anything. Oh yeah, I'm playing it 2 times speed, so this is 1 time speed. And if you wanted to, you could add like events to your animation tracks that when you go scripting, you can read when that keyframe, that event is reached, and then you can do stuff based on it. But for this animation, the only thing you really need to know is when it's finished. So you don't need to add an event for that. You can just detect when it happens, or when it finishes playing after you play it. I'm happy enough with this for now. And then to do a close, basically all I do is just clone it and then reverse the keyframes. Train randomizer script. Basically, you just have all your trains in a folder inside of server storage. Oh, you're talking about how does it build like the random train consist? Have a bunch of different train pieces, and then how would you build a train like if you were gonna put it on your HO layout or model layout? Select an engine, put it on the track. Or well, I guess you wouldn't do that in scripting case. Select an engine, select your next cars, and then just you'll have to write code to connect them. And then after you build the train, then you have spots in your map where you will place the train. It's a lot more complicated than that, but that's basically the general process. Scripting and coding is you just gotta think about how you do something in steps, and then you translate that into code. So I'm happy enough with this for now. I'd say it's save it, publish it to Roblox, garage door, open. That's what I'll save it as. And then I will also create the close door under close. Height has nothing to do with it. It's length, all length. So let's just go ahead and reverse. I wonder if there's like an easy way to just... Can I just right click and flip? Sad, you can't. This one goes at the 45 mark. How you guys liking the music? I'm kind of liking this this vibe that we got going on here. This is music by Monster Cat, or on Monster Cat's record label. I mean, there's also a little widget in the top left. You can see the song name, except you can't really read it because the white on white. Where does the model appear in your inventory? What model? Trains, you just gotta parent to somewhere, wherever you want to parent it. Doesn't matter. As long as you have your own organization, you can just put it in workspace if you want and let it run. people who like actually know how to animate on Roblox are probably like, dude, this guy has no idea what he's doing. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. I don't. Yeah, I want to play my game too, man. I want this to be done. The garage door? Well, the garage door will just be part of workspace. Or part of, however I have my stuff organized. Doesn't really matter. Oh god, I messed something up. Why are peeps unsubbing? I don't know. Happens. People trolling. Switchbox Game Pass? I don't even know if that game works anymore, dude. Sorry, you might have got scammed on accident. Used to work. Pretty good pass. Very fun one. Add more locomotives. I don't know, man. Those games are probably gonna get nuked and rebuilt. Fresh trains, fresh everything, probably. Whoever unsubs is just gonna get replaced. It's fine. Build them numbers up. Going for that silver play button. We need 100K. We need 97,781 more subs. Easy, right? You guys got me? Yeah, Lush updates the games, and sometimes it's not for the better. Like the April Fool's Caesar Simulator. Yeah, I'm sure I can't get banned for that. Alright, so after you have your animations, and I publish them to Roblox, basically in the rig, I'm going to make a folder called Animations where we will store our animation tracks. I'll add animation tracks, call one door, garage door, close, and garage door open. Then from my animations, I can go here and get the assets, close, open, put the IDs in those animation tracks. So now we have those animations for this rig inside of an animations folder. Now all you have to do is script it. Put a script in here. This will be easy. function. It's weird. Red line. Open. Door. Open. Humanoid. Humanoid. Animation folder. I'm making variable references to different parts of the rig that I need for scripting. Prepare animations. And we're gonna get some animation tracks, variables. I also need an animator. Humanoid. Find first child. Animator. Let's see. Animation. Open. So this line of code here is how I would load the animation track and then be able to play it. This variable animation open, if I did like animation open :play, that would play the animation. This close. Just copy and paste this line. Short close. Open. Door open, you call this function, you just want animation open. Play the animation that easily. Otherwise, you want it, likewise, if you wanted door close, just play the animation close. And also, if you want to, you can create so you can't like override the animations. Create a variable called let's just say is opening or is moving. It's false, which would be like if the garage door is moving. So if it's closing, opening, if there's an animation playing, something like that. We'll go ahead and add that to our functions so we don't accidentally cancel animations. So if is moving is false, then you can play our animation. Do that here as well. And you can also, what does that even mean? Oh, an old conversation. So if you go back to our animation track, do animation open dot stopped. This fires whenever the animation stops playing. Stopped connect function. Now anything that I write within this function is what will happen whenever the opening animation for the garage door stops playing. So I can just say is moving. I want is moving to be above this, so I can change it. Is moving. True. So basically, when the animation stops, it will reset it. Oh. It will reset. So our scripts will know that the garage door is not moving. basically. So let's go ahead and test this out. Wait 10 seconds after we start running the game. Door open, we'll call. Wait another 10 seconds. Door close. If I did this right, it should play this animation, so I press Control S. Okay, I was like, please don't crash. Alright, so after 10 seconds, this garage door should open. Yep, there we go. That's not what we're supposed to do. It's because I don't have it sit in a state of open. So I need another animation. Static open. Later load animation folder. Go ahead and call that one garage door static. Close. Alright, so there's two more animations I need to make. I need to make the states for when it's just straight up closed. So that would be like, alright, let's create new. No, not create new. File save as. Door. So I just want the frame where it's all the way open. So all this deleted. I actually want to set all of these animations to actions so that, because of the priority. Publish to Roblox. Door static open. Done. We'll go ahead and load our closed one. Save as. Door. Static. Delete all the rest of these keyframes except for when it's closed. Now we will have the state, animation priority, action, publish to Roblox, door static close. Static open. I actually want to save this. Set the animation action. Door open. Animation priority, just like it kind of, it's like what the weight of the animation, like how prioritized is it. Action is the highest priority. Garage door close. Okay, so I think I have all that. So in our animations folder, we now also want garage door static close. And static open. Our animation IDs in their respective classes. You'd love to read the script. It's a really basic script, man. I'll probably edit this down into some shorter videos. Alright, and when it closes, we want to also on that dot stopped event. So on the close, it closes. So we want to play our animation static close. I also need to make sure those are looped, so I'll have to go back and republish them with the looping checked. Static open play, static close play. We want static closed to be playing initially. What's the time over there? 5:41. About another 20 minutes and I gotta peel out. So back in our animation editor, we want our static close. We want it to be looping. Static close. We also want static open to have looping toggled. There it. Okay. Yeah, little tiny things like this is just. Let's go ahead and make sure so when you call door close that the static open will be stopped. Your static open to be stopped when you're or your static close to be stopped when you're opening. I'm probably doing a bunch of redundant stuff, but that's just kind of how I code. Alright, now when I test this, it should... Rest in peace. What did you do? Why'd you get banned? Probably no reason. But there we go. So it stays open as it should, and then after 10 seconds, it should just straight up close. Or 5 seconds or whatever I timed it. And that should stay closed. Nice. It worked. So yeah, garage door works now. That's how you code a basic garage door. Or like, that's just like rigging and then animating and getting those animations to play. What's up, bro? Local bro fan, welcome back. And this goes for like any animation. You can rig stuff and get it to play just like that. Doesn't have to be a garage door, it could be anything. It could be a spider, zombie. You could probably animate. You can animate like doors on trains and stuff. For next stream, I'm gonna have to put making our box for the song title on the top left, because it's kind of hard to read that text sometimes. You like the stream? Glad to hear. I am here to stream. I'll have like I have like notifications and stuff. I can run a couple test ones, but we got some cool things that'll happen if generous users decide to, you know, tip a couple bucks here and there. You can send me a couple messages, get some alerts on stream. Or a test one real quick. Got some fun ones. So this is like, get a donation.
This is a test donation for $85.
Wait a minute. Oh. Get that. Subscribers, just get that. If you were to become like a regular, like a paid subscriber, get that. Hopefully those aren't too loud. It's kind of loud. Get some super chat. Yeah, those are our alerts. Oh, hey, we went back up to 12,220 subs. We got a couple back. But yeah, guys, that's basic animation of it. If you had like buttons and stuff like that, like I could make a button and then press the button and then it'll open and close and whatnot. But for now, like I have like a whole interact system and like scripts for my players that I've been working on that it's like a lot more complicated to set up. There will be more trains. Maybe we'll model a train on Wednesday, the new engine or something like that for the game. The new freight engine, at least. I'll probably have this all scripted up to spawn trucks and stuff for Wednesday. No, probably nothing like that. It'll probably be, it's not going to be any specific type of engine. I mean, it'll probably end up looking like somewhat like a real engine, but I'm just kind of gonna freehand it. Freestyle it. It's going to be more of like probably like a GP9 style, but more elongated. This isn't necessarily a new gauge, but rather a really old gauge that's just being modernized to work in the new physics environment. We'll go ahead and go back to chat for now, which I'm not really sure why. These chat messages clear. XD70 Mac. Let's see. There's some settings I'm gonna have to tweak. Like I want my chat to not despawn the messages so fast, because like we don't have enough chat to fill up this box. We get like 2 lines. The whiteboard, I write myself notes on it. Either write myself notes or list things I need to get done. Sometimes I do math on there for when I'm scripting. It's raining tacos. Dude, a taco sounds really good right now. This guy must really like the taco song. Yeah, guys, we're kind of wrapping it up now. I got some stuff I gotta go done. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to the gym today or not, but might just take an off day. Kind of sore. What's up, dude? Face of emptiness. What you talking about? Is my face empty? Yeah, sorry, dude. It was a really short one. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna make it because I woke up super late today and I had some stuff I needed to get done before I could get the stream live. But yeah, we are gonna be wrapping it up. Thanks for coming and chilling, guys. This was fun. I actually, like, I expected, like, maybe to have, like, 10 people in, but we had, like, almost 40 people in here earlier when we first started, so that's pretty good. I am happy with the turnout, and it's... Like, obviously, I really, like, if I was gonna stream, I'd want to stream, like... I want to stream like Battlefield or games like that. Games I play like for my own fun. Like I'm not I don't really find the joy in playing Roblox games. I'm sorry. I'm here to chat. I'm gonna chat with you guys for a little bit. So we want to chat a little bit before I peel out. Anyone's got any more questions? Go ahead and shoot them now. This is a moment in history. There are many more better things to come than this, but this is definitely the start of streaming. Also, do you guys think I should just brand the channel, like update all my banners, throw out that garbage art I made last week or a couple weeks ago for the channel banner? Should I just update it to like the stuff that's from the live stream, this like orange gradient kind of theme? I kind of like it. Looks a little more professional. I do like the logo though, our main logo. Probably a little more than everything else. Also, Monster Cat is definitely coming in clutch with this music because this music's been pretty chill. Also, how's stream quality? Hopefully it's not been like too pixelated. Like the red and orange gradient theme. I do like it too. I did make this. Have I watched Thomas and Friends? Not since I was like 6 years old. 8 years old. DMs. Alright. Let's see what's going on here. What is that? What is this, a subway train that you sent me? Good, I'm glad quality's okay. Definitely don't want to be lagging while I'm streaming. I may have to tweak some settings. I don't think I have any drop frames. 900 drop frames 0.2%. It's probably not great, but it's not terrible. Thousands of drop frames would be terrible. Here, I'll bring up what the world. All right, guys. Lush. What do we think of this model that Lush made? How tunnel crash trains. More live. Can we work on a little bit like some better sentences here? Reading broken English. Doesn't do it for free. Who's doing stuff for free versus not for free? Yeah, this is Lush's. It looks like a subway. I don't know why you said cargo locomotive. It's like... Okay. Chill on the spam there, buddy. I don't want to have to time you out. Ugh. You definitely don't need spams. But yeah, guys, I'm hungry. I think I wanna go find some food. Maybe go to the gym. Have I done any steam? I haven't made steam locomotives in a long time. Probably like... Nope, I literally haven't made a steam locomotive in like 5 years, 10 years. I've drawn 2D steam locomotives though. The last steam locomotive I technically drew is the little tiny splash art that's moving across the top and bottom of my screen on the stream right now. But yeah, guys, I think it's time to peace out. I appreciate everyone stopping in for the stream. It was definitely a good day. Good day. All these times are also in Central Time. Central Standard US time. So yeah, I'll just kind of vibe out a little bit to the music. Leave this up for a minute. Yeah, I appreciate everyone stopping by. Good first stream. I will try to be live around 10 a.m. on Wednesday, Central Standard Time. That is 8 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Mountain Time, and I think 11 a.m. Eastern. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then quite possibly, I've been thinking about launching another channel for just straight up gaming on like the weekends. But for now, we're just going to be focusing on this project and trying to get a game out for you guys. And then once we get the game out, then we can start switching back into full train crash montage, dubstep, angry, exploding trains. kind of vibes. But yeah, appreciate it, guys. I will see you on Wednesday. I'll also have more. I'll probably have a little bit UI update too, or stream overlays will be a little bit tweaked. And I appreciate everything. Thanks, guys. Going off live. See ya.